Hey guys, we're here to look at the new 3D-X2.0 filament dryer by TwoTrees. We're gonna unbox it today and see what it's all about with a review in the near future. Haven't opened it. This is the first time opening it, so we're doing this together. Let's take this out. Probably not what I should do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Watch me struggle, watch me struggle. Round it by the middle, there we go. There we go. Let's see, nope. Nothing else in the box. Goodbye. And goodbye. All right. Let's see. First impressions. So, supposedly this has a fan to move the air around inside. I'm not seeing any vents to... Oh no, I am a liar. We've got 6 tiny, like 1mm holes at the top. Let's see what this is about. Got our instructions. User guide. Can't read that. All right. I'll talk more about this in the review after looking at it. Let's pop it open. Take the foam out. Holy crap. That is where our power supply is. They packaged it really tightly in this foam. All right, we'll get to the power cord in a minute. So they've got some insulation foam in here and some rollers at the bottom. Let's see. Well, without taking it apart, I can't see what's under there, but maybe later. First, there we go, and the proper US power cord. All right, so I've got the Amazon listing pulled up here. It's currently on Amazon for $42.99, and there was a coupon the other day, but it doesn't seem to be one anymore. Like I said, this is by TwoTrees. It supposedly has a fan in it. I'm not sure about the max temp so far yet, but I will figure that out for the review. I'm not going to look at I'm not going to read other people's reviews, but I have seen a few people being able to fit plastic and cardboard spools in there, so that gives me hope that it's got a wide range. Yeah, that's it. If anybody has any questions right off the bat, let me know. This is the TwoTrees 3D-X2.0. I keep having to look back at the name. We can work on the name, huh? All right, thanks for checking it out, guys.